love, love that I'm feeling. Whoa.
The reggae music, it is the heartbeat of the people. It is the universal language, what carries the messages of roots, cultures, and reality. I did it. It was all through me the inspiration comes to inspire the rest of musicians in Jamaica and globally.
Reggae music is globally loved by people because it's a music that is rooted in roots and cultures. Because all around the world in different cultures, you have people who are suffering the same inequality, segregation, separation, hypocrisy, hierarchy.
Well, we are still on the same track. And we say, war is very ugly, but love is very lovely.
Is this love, is this love, is this love, the love that I'm feeling? Oh, yes, I know, yes, I know, yes, I know now. Oh, yes, I know.
And there we practice the roots, the drum and the bass, which the drum is the heartbeat and the bass is the backbone. So if the drum is not right, the music is gonna have a bad heart. And if the bass is not right, it's gonna have a bad back. So the music will be crippled, you know? So we say we're gonna take care of that, dub-wise.